got to work out how to focus it. Hang on. Oh, hello everybody. Today I'm going to, oh no, I forgot my famous bit, haven't I? Up YouTube. There you go. Today I'm stripped down the motor completely as it's in bits all over the place, which you'll see in a minute. Now I am putting the axles on the new chassis, which is not galvanised, it's painted black. So I'll put the new axles on today and hopefully get a bit of a rolling chassis, maybe put the engine in, the newer engine, which I've got to do, timing belt, blah blah, other stuff. So hopefully you might enjoy. So the first task is jack the chassis up at the front, put the hockey sticks on the chassis, put the hockey sticks on the axle, wheel it underneath, sort some suspension out, and away we go. Okay, we'll get on with it. First job, jack the chassis up. So put this all the way around. Still there, yep. I think what that bit is flat. Makes it a little bit easier. So good old copper slip. I was tempted to paint them, but it doesn't really matter because paint will come off anyway because it's galvanised. It hasn't been treated before because somebody's got me stuff to treat it with. Just in case somebody needs to take it off again. Well, springs, DS. DS. See, will be You're not going to stay there, are you? Stay. Nice bright blue bubble wrap. P.S. If you can see, you might not be able to see. Let's see if it'll focus. And it says PS. It means passenger side. Shuckers we don't need. There's instructions. What do we do with instructions? Rip them up. Nice, you like blue bubble wrap. With nice shiny red things. That for a sec. And then I'll take it off because that will go flying. Always do. These is just open them out. Tiny bit. Paintwork. It comes with this. I'm going to take my hat off into what light will reflect off my head. What comes with a little grease for the bolt. So the next time you want to get them out, you can get them out. They're only going in loose at the minute until there's weight on. Oh, you can see it. Until there's weight on, and then when there's weight on, you can adjust them around, tighten them up. Wiggle now. That thing's just wet. sometimes it's better to get a ratchet strap to pull the axle up, or to hold the axle up. Fasten it to somewhere. Need a lot, just a little bit. Get the line. Lower this down a little bit. If it's too much of a steep angle for the shaft, for the hockey stick going in, it won't go in, it'll nip the bush. So you've got to lower it down a little bit. I'll show you. Here's, if you can see, a bit there. The bush goes on, the anchor washer goes on, and the nut goes on. You can't really see too well, can you? And then get the right size socket and buzz that up. Tighten them a little bit so the axle doesn't fall off and it's got a chance to move up and down. Well, that's the front axle on without the shockers. We don't need them yet. Time to put the back axle on.